Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a fantastic Photoshop trick with you. Did you know that you can copy colors from outside of Photoshop and use them within the program, with just one click, using the eyedropper tool? The eyedropper tool allows you to pick colors only from within Photoshop. And if you try to move the cursor outside the Photoshop window, the eyedropper won't work. But I'll show you a neat trick to copy colors from anywhere on your screen. First, make sure your Photoshop window isn't maximized, allowing other windows to be visible alongside it. This way, you can easily access the content you want to copy colors from. Then click and hold the left mouse button anywhere inside Photoshop window. While holding the left mouse button, move your cursor outside the Photoshop window to the area where you want to copy the color. Once you've reached the desired color, release the mouse button. The color is now copied into Photoshop, and we can use it inside Photoshop. This trick can be incredibly useful, especially when you want to match colors from websites, images, or any other source outside of Photoshop. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.